Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put Spotify music title and the artist name using only OBS. And we're going to add some filter too, so stay tuned. Alright, first thing you have to open your OBS and open Spotify. Spotify is right here, and then if you open your OBS and Spotify, just go to OBS, then right click on the source, add Windows Capture. And then let's change the title to Spotify. Make sure that this is checked. Okay. Go find the Spotify that you're using. Do that. Let's make it bigger. Now, what you want to do is cut the part that you don't want. So you have to hold. I'm sorry. Alt and then resize it. Let's cut the part that you don't want. Let's make it bigger. I'm holding Alt again and then just do that. For those of you who's not gonna use the filter, if you guys just want this, it's fine. You can use the picture and whatever. Just put it like that. And now then you can just stream. But if you're gonna use the filter, I recommend to just cut the picture. Okay, just do it like this. This will look better. All right, now what you want to do is right click on the Windows Capture that we just added, click on the filter, add color key. We need to add the color key. I'm sorry, my throat is hurting right now. Change the color key type to custom color, select color, and then select the color black. Okay, we're just gonna change the similarity to 160. Change that, and then after changing, just close this, and there you go. That is a transparent one. See, this one looks, looks good because it's transparent. So yeah, well, that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned a good, I don't know. I don't even know how to title this, but yeah, as always, stay safe and goodbye.